Good afternoon and a very warm welcome back to the Circuit de Barcelona, Catalunya. It's getting pretty warm in this beautiful part of Europe. We're all set for Chapter 15 in this year's MotoGP World Championship. That brings us to the Monster Energy Grand Prix of Catalonia. Agura, the rookie, just set the 7th best time in this session. Agura through into Q2 with a 138.599. Raul Fernandez, who's having a pretty torrid Friday so far, the Trackhouse, the returning Somkiat Chantra, and Aprilia test rider Lorenzo Savadori find themselves behind Bagnaia.